Morning, everybody. Boy, does getting some sleep help. Woo! I feel great. Hope you all slept good too. All right, let's get the YouTube channel set up. Good morning on TikTok. Good morning on YouTube. Happy Tuesday morning, 6/10/2025. Another gorgeous rainy day here where we live. It's kind of a running joke at this point. It's rained like every day for 2 months. Getting a little bit silly. But good thing is we're heading to St. Thomas soon, so thank God. There we go. All right, I think we're live on YouTube. Let's see. Yep, we're live on YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, X, Facebook. $6:59. That is us. Oh, yay. Good morning, JFlow. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Arginus Luna. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Ken. Good morning, Orlando Walters. Good morning, and blessed morning to you, Orlando. And good morning, Mr. Gold. I'm glad to hear from you this morning too, Mr. Gold. Glad you're here. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube and Twitter, Twitch, and X. Woo! We will create tracking document. I already did all that. Let's unmute ourselves so we can get our first little dings this morning. I got to lower it. I'm going to make sure I'm not waking up my beautiful wife. All right. Looks like a little messy here. We got buy stops going on. What's going on here? Let's see. Let's go to the big charts. Let's go over here to a 5-seconder. What do we see? NAS, 1 second, sell. Good. Are we finally getting a pullback, I hope? 5-second, buy, buy, buy. 5-second buy, stop all indices. 5-second buy, stop all indices. One minute buy. 1 minute, 1 minute buy. 1 minute buy, stop all indices. We need a bigger pull. Aha, there's a bigger one. I don't think we're going to hit it, but I'll call it. 7 minute sell stop, all minutes, indices, 7 minute, 10 minute sell stop. I mean, maybe we'll hit there, but anyway. How can we get to? 7 minute, 10 minute sell stop to the blue line. We've already ricocheted off it with ES1. It's interesting. It did do it. Yeah, it did do it. My bad. Oh, it did on all of them. Oh, okay. That's good. That's good. No, we're not going to hit this. I'm not calling it. I never play a sell stop on any indice, just so we're clear.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I will take this buy stop, though. Buy stop, all indices to the 1 minute blue line. Just hit it. It's going to do it again. Let's set up some alerts. Here you go. We're at it already. Hit activated. ES blue line. You still have time to the blue line. And YM1. I 1 minute blue line. Love this trade. We have our first dingings. Our first dingings this morning. Already in the money. I just woke up. Oh, isn't trading fun? Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous 1 minute buy stop. Let's see about these 3 minutes. Yep. A little messy, but it's 3 minute buy. Yeah, I see that there's a 7-minute, 10-minute sell stop. I see that. We're skipping it. Let's go all the way up to the 30-minute buy stop, 40-minute buy stop. Take profit one, already hit on all indices. Take profit two, 42,803 on US 30. Take profit again, whatever it is, 21,849 on NAS. Take profit again. Isn't this great? 21,884. 6,019. And let's go over to here. And 6,025 on ES1. Remember,
Demo trade only. I am not.
there we go. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, reverse. Oh, Uno reverse end. Uno reverse end. Well, there we go. All buy stops hit. US 31 buy stop to the blue line. Look how gorgeous, gorgeous little play. Oh, man. Gotta love it. Love it. Buy stop to the blue line. US 30 and YM1. You still have time to make some money. Speaking of that, I wonder how my US 30s are. Probably negative. I had to gather guess. Let's take a look. It is. We have a couple trades open just to buy in US 30. That was the one that was accidentally clicked into rather than a buy stop, but that's okay. We're negative. That'll go positive there shortly. We're up $639, 600. So we're up 315 pips on NAS. And we started this kind of like 200, 250 whenever this account started. So we doubled the account, and I'm not worried about US 30. It's going to go where it's supposed to go. Just give it time. Morning, Sal. Good morning, Persistent. Good morning, Barry Deutsch. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. Good morning, Filio. What's up, Glow? Good morning, Filio. Good morning, Mr. Gold. And I do believe, Filio, that Keith restarted the scanner thing for you, so you should be good to go. If you want to check that, let me know while we're live. We can. All right. Buy stop to the blue line. All indices, US 30, YM1, NQ1, SPX, and ES1. All right. I think that covers it. We're good. That's all your indices. Let's swing over and start calling out some other symbols. Let's go over here to gold and silver. Here we go. Gold and silver. Gold and silver. They're all green except for the 7-minute. Let's go over to the 7-minute and see what's going on. All right. Why is that? What? They're saying gold is below. Oh, I went to the 7-hour. Yeah, helps if I pay attention to where we're at. And we're still not correct. 7-minute. What the hell? Okay, that was weird. Anyways, let's go through. So they're all above their blue lines on all time frames that we're tracking. Let's go up to a higher time frame. Let's go up here to a. We'll make this a 2 hours. See where we're at on that. We'll hold that for a while. We're starting. We're hunting. A hunting we will go. A hunting we will go. I hold an area. A hunting we will go. All of them flip down hard. That's gorgeous. Look, 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 look. They're all reset. Okay, this is a good learning thing for you guys. Right here. This right here is where it's resets on the 32nd. Now, what we have is the start. Where is our little notes at? I might have to actually go to one of the things. Nope, it won't show there. Well, hold on. When you're going to get a lesson now on Uno reverse. When the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second all turn red, doesn't matter about the 1 minute. When these all turn red, this is the start of the hunt for Red October. What does that mean? It's creating these buy stops on the higher time. Remember, I just called out that 30, 45-minute buy stop. There they are. What it's doing is it's showing you that this is starting to think. It's starting to track for its gold call. It's starting to track for its call. Uh, Gold and money, by the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for 1 second buy stops. Okay, wait till we see all these turn green. Wow. This is so cool. I'm so happy about it. We're going to wait for all these 1 second to turn green. And then when 3 out of the 5 of these turn green, it'll make a signal call on your charts. Now, I don't know why I'm not seeing it on, oh, it's YM. That's why. Hold on. It doesn't track YM. There you go. Now, where's my start at? Well, let me go back up to here then. This is so cool. I'm so glad we're seeing it. And then when we see these all fill in, then it's going to call out when, say, these 3 go ahead and change. And it'll let us know on the 10 second and so on. Then it will keep going. Then the 15 second will tell you when 3 out of the 5. And then when those all change, it will tell you when there's 3 out of the 5 on the 30 second. So this has now been triggered. So eventually we'll see a buy stop on the 1 second form all green and we'll be alerted to it. I'm so excited. I don't even have to watch it. You guys don't even have to watch it. Yay, this is awesome. I'm so glad that pulled down. We need a bigger pull down, by the way. We need to go to the 3-minute line. Let's see if we can get that. Yeah, 3-minute sell stop to the blue line, US 30, YM1, NAS. Again, I hope they all go straight down to, well, hell, I hope they all go straight down to that 7-minute blue line, 5-minute blue line. 21,747 for NQ1. I don't trade these. You guys can knock yourselves out. 21,723 for NAS. YM1, 42,645. US 30, 42,620. I just don't play these. They're just a waste of time. Let's go over here to SPX. 5,982. They're just setting us up for the higher time frame buys. 5,992. You can see that the 30 minutes, soon it'll be the 45-minute buy stop. Yeah, it is. And then 60-minute, let's see. I don't know if we'll hit a 60-minute buy. No, I don't think so. And by the way, what looks so big, this is so funny to me. What's so big on a 5 second, 10 second isn't even a blip on a 1 hour. Some of your perspective is off when you see this stuff. Good morning, D Nice. You're welcome, Julio. Good morning, Kirk Brown and DB1. I think that's Kevin. Good morning, Doggen, Persistent, and Martin Lewis. Good morning, Blue Fighter Philip. Good morning, Jacob. All right, now we're good. Let's go to gold. Cross. Interesting with gold. I love this gold. This is fantastic. Did I not just call this 3 minutes? Why are we not reading gold right? Whoa, something is not right. Am I in the wrong symbol? Let me see. Nope, same thing. Interesting. Let me go ahead and send a message off to Keith. Something doesn't work right. And that's why we test this stuff. It's so damn good. Good morning, Keith. Something's wrong with the 5 minute, 7 minute. I'm not sure. These are your metals. It's showing gold is above right there, and obviously it's below. It is 7:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Forex. Time is 12:15 June. Is this playback? Hold on. I might be wasting Keith's time. Hold on. God, am I tired? Oh, jeez, a fucking pizza. Disregard. I didn't send that message. Keith, just ignore me. I don't know. Keith's up this morning. Tell him good morning. Thanks. All right. Hope to God that man's sleeping. I'm going to reverse. Was triggered. I don't know if you guys have seen the movie Straw yet by Tyler Perry, which I'm not a big fan of most of his movies. Some of them are okay. But the Straw movie on Netflix is amazing. It's really fucking good. Buy, stop, buy, stop, buy, stop. We don't care. We don't care. It's to the 10-minute blue line. 15, 30, 30, 30, 30. Gold. Gold is a 45-minute, 90-minute sell stop. I'm not calling it. Gold's a permanent buy also until otherwise noted. I don't care about these small corrections. Actually, I love them. 5-hour buy. This one I already called this. 9-hour buy. 9-hour buy stop gold. Let me see what the 9-hour on silver looks like. Oh, it's already up. Beautiful buy stop. 9-hour buy stop on gold. Take profits are as follows. Well, you already hit one. Already in trade. Take profit two. Put it right here. 3,349. Take profit three. 3,360. Take profit four. 3,382. Take profit five. Nope, that didn't work. 3,400. Always love gold buys. This is just the simplest one ever. Um, Gold is above them. I know, right, Grant? I was in the wrong space. How dumb am I? Good morning, Brian Claus. Thank you, Grant. Good morning, Jacob, and God bless you, D Nice, and God bless each and every one of you listening. Thank God for another day above ground. Please heal all of our loved ones, especially those closest to us, especially, of course, everyone in my family, of course, Keith, and of course, Bree, all my family and friends, and everybody I know and don't know. And please ask a blessing upon each and one of my listeners so their hearts are open so they can learn the system and be consistently profitable trading. Thank God for everything. Amen. All right. Now, that is gold and silver called. Now, why? I could have swore I was already past that one. Yeah, we were just at gold. My bad. All right. Bitcoin. We have a Bitcoin little thingy. All right. Let's go to the Bitcoin only. Here we go. Oh, gorgeous. XRP is where? 30-second. Let's go to 30-second XRP. Buy stop XRP to the 30-second blue line right here. You can see it on our scanner. And let's go to the 1 minute. Look, look, look to the 1 minute XRP. Buy stop XRP to the 1 minute. You can clearly see on our scanner these two have not turned to green. You can see Ethereum and Bitcoin are above it. Yes, we have a crypto only system now. It trades strictly cryptos. If you try to go to anything else, it will not trade. It is so cool. Keith is the best. There you go. Love it. Love it. There you go. There. Gold in the money. Gold in the money. XRP is in the money, by the way. XRP is in the money. Not only that, but it just changed in 1 minute. About to go above here and turn green on the 30 seconds. For those of you still hating on me or the system, please just back off and be happy that you have a system that works consistently. That's all I can ask you. So please take it easy. You don't need to be haters. If you don't like what I'm saying, just leave and go somewhere else. We have a 1 second buy stop to the 30-second blue line on XRP. Okay, so what does that mean to us? What that means is this: you're about to see pink cross the blue, green will turn, reds will get smaller, they'll turn to green. What you're going to see is price action go up to here, and you're going to see XRP go to there, and then it's going to go above its previous high. There you go. XRP is in the money. Did exactly as I just said to you. Somewhere else. Pink cross blue. Green, green, buy stop goes above the orange. There it is. You're about to see this change 30 seconds green. And you're welcome. Those are one XRP that did exactly as I told you. Let's go back to here. Let's go back. There it is, green. It's above the line. There it is. There's XRP. Let's go ahead and go to what's next. XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, they are all long-term. Matter of fact, let me add another chart here. They're all long-term buys. They're not a sell in sight. These are long-term buys. Uno reverse Kev's edition. There we go. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are buys. XRP and the money again. XRP and the money again. As I told you, just down top right. We're going to go to that out of there. Yep, you're in the money. Who's in the money? Da 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 da. Let's make this tidy. Da, 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 da. Who's in the money? You're in the money. Da 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 da. Oh, don't like that. We need to go down here smaller. Then we're going to go down to middle. We're going to go down to bottom. Bottom right. We'll separate those out. I don't like the way those look. And there you are. It's above its 30-second blue line as called out live. You can clearly see it. Oh, I'll do this over here. You can clearly see that if you were happen to be on YouTube, you could clearly see right there. That's TikTok right there. It's above its 30-second blue line. This is now turned to green. Trading has never been easier. This is the easiest thing on earth. Now you can just look at your little charts and tell everything of what you want to do, where you're going to go, where you think it's going to go. We're going to make this a 5-minute. We're going to make this we're going to make these bigger time frames, 15-minute. We're going to make this a 30-minute. We're going to make this a 1 hour. Isn't this the coolest? And you guys have this power at home too. 2 hour. We're going to make these monstrously big. We're going to go 1 day. We're going to make this 1 week. We're going to make this 1 day. And we're going to make this whatever time period we want. We'll make this like a 7-minute just to check it. All right. Buy, stop. Oh, nice. Look at that. We already got it. Buy style. This is great. Oh my God. This is the best thing ever. I don't know how. People, if you are not having my system and you're trying to trade without it, you are 100% wasting your time. Buy the system. This thing is incredible. Go to monthly. Okay. Look what it could track. 1 month. Let's go to 3 months because this is a 1 month, 60-minute. This is a 1 month. This is a daily 1 week buy stop. Let me go to 3 months. This system is absolutely peak. Nothing better. Nothing better. Nothing better. This is crazy how good this stuff is. Man, I don't even have to look at the higher time frames anymore. Holy shit. This thing is incredible. Talking about setting yourselves up. You have to do nothing anymore. You have to do nothing. Look at that Uno reverse call out those buys right here. Daily, weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy. Oh shit, that isn't my. Oh fuck. I have the wrong one on again. Damn, am I still tired? Let me reverse this. Damn, I don't have the Uno. Hold on, I got to add the Uno Bitcoin only. I mean, I don't have to do that, but I'm going to do that so it's clear. Uno reverse crypto. Boom. Let's do that again. Damn, it's still so fucking. Uh-oh. Fuck. Hold on. Let me add this. Yeah, we're going to have to do that to the bottom again. Bottom. Right. Let's try all that shit again. That was so awesome. Let's go here. We're going to go to the 5 minute. Let's go here. We're going to go to the 15. And we're going to go here. These are the ones I want to make large. Let's go here to the daily. Let's go here to the weekly. Let's go here to the monthly. I do like the 3 months, but I'll put that on the stocks. 1 day, 1 month. Time frame. We can go to 3 months, I think. Yep. Let's go here. Make that like an odd 7 just so we can see the difference. All right. Let's see what we got. Guess we should make that maybe about small. There we go. Okay. Now then. Gorgeous. Again, we have a 12-hour daily buy stop on XRP. We have a daily, weekly buy stop on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just perfection. And I don't have to check any of that. Wow. Let me see if I can move this back to the middle of that. Be close enough. Middle, right. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, that'll work. Oh my gosh. Just perfection. Gorgeousness. Thank God and thank Keith. This is amazing. XRP Ricochet went up past 30 seconds and it'll go up past here. It'll go up past $2.29. Let's go to the dailies and see this. This is telling us what to do here. XRP is a daily. This is incredible. Let me go down to here. I'm going to put it 12 hours instead of a 15 minute. Let me go here and make this a somewhere around the neighborhood of 4. Let's see. $12-hour above, daily below. This is a gorgeous, picture perfect XRP 12-hour daily buy stop. I mean, take profit one's been hit. Take profit two, $2.38. Take profit three, $2.43. Take profit four, $2.55, $2.68, $3, $3.20, $3.50. That is for XRP. This is just perfection. This is just perfection. XRP has the most to go up. Absolutely 100% love the buy stop on XRP.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Just, you guys are going to make so much. Ethereum already going back up to where I told you it would. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you. Ethereum is going back up above 2,800. I told you when it was way down here where Ethereum was going. I swear, I hope at least Larry listened to me on this one. Look at this. Money, money, money everywhere. They're just throwing free money at us every chance they get. Nice. You will see You go past 262, 47. You hit it multiple times. Ethereum will be above 3,000, way above 3,000. All right. I don't know where we're at. Let's see. This is so much fun. Oh, okay. That takes care of um, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. Let's keep going down our little list here. Nike. Has my system called out Nike correctly? Oh, good morning, KJ. Good morning, KJ Palmer. Sorry, sometimes I get lost in my own thoughts here. Good morning, KJ Palmer. Good morning, Taraya Edwards. Good morning, Damien. We don't call the cells, Damien. You play what you want. Busy trader stream. I know, right, boy? I bet you Mr. Gold's kicking ass at that thing. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go ahead and start popping YouTube. Let's go. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. And we're about to start smashing. We're about to make it into a humongous. Come on now. Come on. Here we go. Good morning to Lazarus. Michelle Glowinski. What's up, Michelle? Super Z. It's my time. It's my time. Barry Cooper and Fireball from 465. Good morning to everybody on YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Yeah, baby. We have another reverse conversion. What is that? 15 seconds? 15 second, 15. Hold on now, peeps. We got stuff to look at. 15 second. Oh, gorgeous. 15-second buy. Uno reverse version 15. I don't know if we had time to play, but I think we did. Uno reverse end. Uno reverse end. That means all of these are above its 30, which it is. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line. Buy stop. That is why you do not play the sell Damien. I swear on all it's holy. Why would you even ask me about sell? It's never a sell. They're always buys. Always buys to the 1 minute blue line. Right here. We've made trading the easiest thing on earth. There it is. Put your alert right here. There. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Buy stop. 1 minute to the blue line. This will soon turn to green. Don't forget the sniper, the most important indicator ever made. This is all based on the sniper. You have to have the sniper for $250 a month to get it. Oh shit, that reminds me. Well, here you go. I hate to have to do this, but we know of 3 people. You're crossing, you're in profit, you're in the money, 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 you're in the money. You're in the money on US 30 to the 1 minute blue line. As I was saying, you only play buy stop premium. Yep. Look at the Uno reverse called the trade perfectly for you guys. Crazy how spectacular this thing is. It's going to revolutionize trading. It already has. My system has. And now it's to the point where no one, because this sees exactly what I see. Keeps is able to code this so you guys can see when these go down, and then he forms the buy stops on the higher time frames when they go down, when they start to flip. It's my mind right here. What you see right here is how my mind trades. And you guys now have my mind at the palm of your hand. It's $50 for the rifle, $250 a month for the sniper. And I was going to tell you guys this. I hate to have to do this in a way because I love all of you. But listen to me now. The bad one. You guys aren't going to want to know this. This is a warning. 3 members lied about paying for the sniper. Hold on. out of this right here. So Bree and I, with the great Keith Palmer, to get the Uno reverse. They will be banned for life unless they email now. Okay, let me get clear on this. You have to be paying for the sniper to get the Uno reverse. If you are not, you will, if you are not and lied, we are currently auditing all 80 of the Uno reverse people. If you're not paying for it and lied about paying, you are banned from my system for life. You cannot get in, you cannot beg, you cannot plead. You better come clean right now, otherwise you are done. You will no longer use my system. You will get no refunds. You will get nothing. You're lucky if I don't come after you. I'm just that pissed. I can't believe someone took the niceness of Bree and I, three people technically, took advantage, tried to take advantage of that. You don't think we're going to audit that and see if you're paying? Sevens, if you're clear on this. Tank Dog. What's up, Tank Dog? This was a free upgrade given to you freely by Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. And three of you tried to take advantage of that by saying that you were paying for the sniper and you, in fact, were not. We are currently auditing all 80 of you. If anyone submitted in something that was false and lying about what you're paying for, you will lose your membership to all access to everything I have for life. Sevens, if I'm clear on that. I can't believe someone tried to take advantage. Are you fucking insane? Are you fucking insane? We're giving this away to people who are paying. We're not giving it away to people who are scumbag liars. So you either come truth right now with an email saying, I'm so sorry I lied, and me and Bree will go case by case, but I'm sure we'll forgive you. If you do not submit in an email saying, I'm sorry I lied, you will be banned for life. If you were in the sniper to begin with, all you need is the sniper. If you are not, it's already closed. If you are not in the sniper, you have to buy the sniper rifle and then you get the Uno reverse. Okay. So to answer your question, if you were already in the sniper at time of release, much like when I released the robot, much like the robot has now been tested on 20 different trades with 100% accuracy for gold. When the robot is released, anyone in the sniper, anyone in tier 1, 2, or 3 of the signal service will be getting the gold robot at a huge discounted price. I mean huge. Anybody not in the sniper rifle and the sniper / tier 1, tier 2, 3 will be paying a minimum of $1,000 a month for the gold robot. I'm just telling you the way it is. So if you think you might want one of my robots, you might want to be in one of the sniper / tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 rooms. Just saying. Just like here. Anybody that had the sniper by itself can get the Uno reverse upgrade. Now you cannot. Now that testing and beta phase is done. You're welcome, Saw. Yeah, fuck around and find out, peeps. 30-second buy stop. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line, US 30. You'll see these turn to green over here. Right here, and right there. And how many times a day do I have to say, do not play sells? Good morning, Aussie Trader. Good morning, Larry Cooper. I know 99% of you are good people, but I pity the fools who are trying to scam. Pity the fools who are trying to scam. Are you out of your mind? You don't think Bree checks everything we do? Good morning, Luke. Wow. Final warning to everybody out there. Final warning is this. 3 members lied about paying for the sniper to get the Uno reverse. They will be banned for life unless they email now an apology. You have to be paying for the sniper to get the Uno reverse. If you are not and lied about paying, you are banned from my system for life. No refunds given, no shits given. I can give 2 fucks less. Can't believe someone tried to take advantage of the kindness of Bree. Wow. Not happening. You guys don't understand Bree. Bree misses nothing. She is so thorough with everything. It's amazing. Besides being the most beautiful woman on earth, she's the smartest, has the greatest memory. She's the kindest. Good Lord has blessed me with a hell of a wife. And one of the things she does, she checks everything. God, I can't believe people would do that. It's heartbreaking, really. Love you guys, trying to help you all out. And to think that someone would take advantage of that is just
Demo trade only.
just
I am not a financial advisor.
All right. Now let's get back to making money. Demo money only. Buy stop to the 1 minute blue line ricochet. It's going to come right back up here. It ricochets. Fire away, fire away. Fire away, fire away. Look at that. Buy stop SPX to the 1 minute blue line. Buy stop ES1 to the 1 minute blue line. Fire away, fire away. Sure, why not? Let's put it here too. And again, you don't have to take these trades. Oh, that YM is tempting though, but it is very tempting to take these trades. Let me see how my thing's doing. Yep, still negative in my US 30 trade. That was just done yesterday. I was trying to put a buy stop in. I put a buy in. It took the fucking market order entry and it went down, I think like 100, 150. I was up some money too, like 70, 80. I'm just holding it. I know where it's going to go long term. I can get 2 fucks less. It's a 0.01. I can care less. I don't give a shit if it goes down $200, $300. It doesn't matter to me. It's zero. There's a $200 count. We've already tripled the count value. We're good. We appreciate you all immensely. Thanks, Luke. Appreciate you guys too immensely. All right. So let's keep going down my other order list here. Let's go over to here. What time is it? If there's news today, let me know. I think it's tomorrow. Crossing. Oh, no. Nope. There we go. As we were doing. Can I make this? Fire away. Fire away. It's bulletproof. All right. Let's go up to Nike. I think that's where I left off on about an hour ago. All right. Nike. Always a buy. Let's get that clear. Nike. Hey, I need a table. Oh, never mind. We're good. Let me see something really quick. It's bulletproof. Fire away, fire away. Oh, hold on. Fire away, fire away. It's bulletproof. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Much better. Okay. Uh, I, for one, am very thankful for your help. Thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah. Only a fool would do what they're trying to do. People are nuts. Trying to steal. I give you away everything, fellow God. All right, where were we? We are at Nike. Does my system trade Nike perfectly? This is a trade tracker. Remember, we are the only system in the world that tracks every official call out. These are all closed trades, all green, all in the money. This is an open trade, 3-month buy on Nike. I agree with that statement. In the money. Not only do we are the only system in the world, the only trader in the world who tracks everything, we actually track every trade I ever do manually. If that's thanks to Kim, the candle lady. Look at all these. These go back to November of last year. Every trade I ever call on any live is tracked thanks to Kim. Every trade ever. Day in and day out. I am the only trader on earth that tracks every trade manually, every day, every trade for months on end now. And I'm the only trader ever to create an actual tracking system called the trade tracker that tracks every trade ever called by my system. Is it positive? It's green. If it's negative, it's red. There's never been on 120 different symbols a negative trade. It's always positive. They always are profitable. There's never a negative trade. Oh, that sounds impossible. You know how stupid you sound. You sound like you're. I don't give a fuck what I sound like. There's the facts. There's the closed trades on Nike, all profitable. Here's the open trades on Nike, profitable. Now, what is my system calling for? It looks like a sell. Let's go over here to the 10-minute. Nike is a permanent buy until otherwise noted. Sell stop to the 15-minute blue line, $61.65. Sell stop. I don't care. I'm not calling that shit. It's a permanent buy. Let's go up to where the real money is. Buy stop Nike to the hour and a half line, $66. Buy stop Nike to the 2-hour buy line, $68. Buy stop Nike to the 4-hour buy line, $76. Let's go up to the real money is. I don't give a fuck about the daily, weekly sell. All I care about is this 3-month buy, 3-month, 6-month buy. Most gorgeous thing on earth, Nike. 3-month, 6-month buy. All those previous take profits, let's go up to $80, $85, $90, $95, $100, $105, $110, $115. Nike should pay me for this. $120. $120. Nike is my favorite buy stop to Nike is $120 take profit.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Nice. And it's also Nike isn't done with that. Nike's going past its previous high of $180. Bingo,
Demo
bongo,
trade
bango.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
Next up, let's keep going. Target. Love me some Target. Hate their bathroom policy, but I think they changed that, so good for them. As the system called out, look at all green demo closed trades, all profitable. One demo trade open on the monthly 3-month. I agree with that statement. It's in profit. We come over here. I don't even give a shit what Target's doing any other place. Target is a 3-month buy, period. It is a weekly 3-month buy. I can't give you strong recommendations. You can play any and all. Hold on. You can play any and all of these symbols. Let's go over here. You can play for the next 2 years plus any 30-minute demo buy stop on Nike, Target, CVS, L, AMD, Verizon, PFE, J&J. Love all these. And you can throw in there um, US 30, NAS, SPX also, and gold. You can play any 30-minute buy stop on any of these. Am I clear on this? Yes or no? Am I clear on this? Throw up the word yes or throw up the word no. Am I clear on this? Yes or no? I'm giving you, who else gives you trades on the 1 second? Who else gives you trades where you can trade for the next 1, 2, 3 years on stocks? These are free call outs. If you support me and support my system and support my cause of what I'm trying to do, which is to help get every fucking American and world person in the world retired, then buy the system. I'm giving you free signals on symbols that you can trade for years to come. Who the fuck else does this for you? Guyberger threw up an 8. Guyberger, what do you mean no? Look, there's no other trader out there that is trading with you nearly every trading normal day, Monday through Friday. If they are, they're definitely not correct. If they are, they're definitely not trading 1 second, 5 second, 10 seconds, letting you make money in and out every day. If they are, they're not trading this. I'm not telling you, they're not telling you what to buy for the next several years that you can take anything. If you don't know what a buy stop is, buy my system. It's a, that's a future order, pending order is all it is. Come on. Feel the love tonight? Let's go, peeps. What the fuck? What the fuck? I mean, literally, these are the trades that we're going over right now. I teach you how to do it. I tell you where to put your take profits at, and I'll still have people, well, I don't know. I don't think the system really works. Well, fuck you and leave. Don't need you. Look at this. I love J&J. Has my system traded J&J correctly? Gee, I don't know. 2 closed demo trades, 3 open demo trades, all green, all profitable. You let me know when you see a red over here. On a closed trade, you let me fucking know when you see a red. You'll never see a red with my system. It looks to me to be a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop to the blue line. Let's go over to the 4 hour right here. See where we're at. Yep, buy stop to the blue line, to the 5 hour blue line, to the 12-hour blue line, weekly, 3 weekly, monthly, 3 monthly. 3 month buy stop. I just adore this J&J. I can't recommend it enough. I first called it out at 141. It's going to go right back to where it is, 162. It is going to go to 184. It is going to go over 186. And this is Johnson & Johnson. Remember, I told you about it when it was at 141. I missed the ultimate bottom low by less than, I think it was 90 cents. 90 cents. Woo! You can catch a falling knife with this system, baby. Let me tell you. I listened to you last year when XRP was 50 cents and got in. Listen to the man. This is Hypergirl. That's true. I got fat fingers. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, NQ cross. I'm gonna. Oh, everybody in the money. Everybody in the money. Everybody in the money. You are in the money. I'm 30-second, 1 minute buy stops for ES1, SPX, and Q1. Yeah, you have time for US 30 and YM, although you are in the money if you played my system correctly. It's going to the blue line. Free money giveaway. Free money alert. Free money alert. We have a free money alert. Free money alert. US 30 to the 1 minute blue line. Free money. Free money alert. Free money alert. People are like, you're fucking annoying this early morning. I don't give a fuck. Free money. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second buy stop to the 1 minute blue line of US 30. Love this trade. Love, love, love this trade. You've already made shit ton of money on ES1, SPX, NQ, and NAS. Next up, US 30 to the 1 minute blue line. Woo! Yep, XRP. We were calling it XRP when it was 32 cents. I forgot the lowest. 32 cents, I think we called XRP at the lowest. System is just improved, easier and easier for you guys to trade now. If I can trade this way, you can trade this way. Head over to thesafetytrade.com and buy the damn system. Buy it. Everybody here, if you had a friend, a loved one, would you tell them to buy the system? Yes. US 30 is in the money now. Everyone here, would you tell your friend and family to buy the system? Yes or no? As you make money, as you hear the ching going off. So, everyone listening, all you newbies here, everybody that's here, everybody that's new here. Oh, and Michelle Galinsky for your Uno reverse, and tell Glow that too, please. Would you guys recommend your friends and family to buy the system? Yes or no? And then everybody here that's new, look at what the answers are. I don't pay these people. They pay me every month. I don't pay them. And they're all saying yes. If they say no, well, good. Whatever your reason is, I'd love to hear it. You obviously don't know how to use the system. System is easy. It's flawless. It's always user error. If there's an issue with anything, it's not the system's fault. It's our fault. For instance, I didn't do a market order. I did a market order instead of a pending order on US 30 yesterday. That was just a dumb rookie move. In the money on your US 30. Good friend bought yesterday. Nice, Luke. Congratulations. Yesterday? I don't know if I got that order through off the Asbury. Look at the money. From my mouth to God's ears to your wallets. Can I get that as a saying? From my mouth to your ears to wait, from God's ears to your wallet. From my mouth. This is so funny. I'm only kidding. To God's ears, he hears to your demo wallet. Look at it going up. YM is in the money. YM, look at going right to the blue line. As I told you, free money. Told you free fucking money. 2 or 3 minutes ago, I told you free, no fault, free money. Oh, Scott, yeah, you might have done it then. Yes, Luke. Look, free money right to the blue line. Who? Okay. Who was here when I was being obnoxious saying free money? Who was here? Anybody here? Yes, Sevens, you guys were here. Right to the close enough. I don't give a fuck if it flips down and goes down 3 million points. I don't care. It went right to the blue line as I called it. Right to the one. It was free money. Why was it free money? Because ES1 was above its blue line. SPX was above its blue line. NQ was above its blue line. NAS was above its blue line. And there it goes right to its blue line. As fucking out, as traded out, as told you to do, damn thing, sorry. As. So there you go, haters. There's nothing to hate anymore. Please, I'm here every day out of the kindness of my heart, trying to help you all make money, showing you how to trade, telling you what to do. Just support this, buy the system, support me so I can get out to more and more and more people. That's all I ask. I'm not running a fucking losing business here. We make lots of money through the business. Matter of fact, me and Bree don't ever have to trade again. We don't have to work again, thanks to you guys. We have a very, very loyal group of people, extremely loyal. And look at it. Look at the reward I've given you over and over again, teaching you how to trade, going it over and over again, telling you what to do before it happens, over and over and over again. Wow. And crazy easy money right there, right to the blue line as called out, live. Name another trader that's calling out 5 symbols as one, that's calling out 1 minute buy. You want to know how much money this made you buy? Because remember that one dingy person that used to come on? I don't know where it happened to her. Right here to here. That is a minimum of 12. So this is about 15, minimum 15 pips you would have made in and out a pip or two. Look, right to a touchdown, right to the fucking blue line. Right to the fucking blue line. I'm just trying to figure out what this is. It's called Making Money, Stephen Thompson. That's what it's called. Wow, right to the blue line. Perfectly called out. Told you what I was going to do before it happened, and there it is. Stephen, head over to my YouTube channel. Go over to my YouTube channel. I've been doing this for about 3 years. Go underneath how to trade the Uno reverse and watch these training videos, these videos right here. Right here. Just watch this little group of videos. You'll learn what's going on. How to trade. There it goes again. And as I told you, exactly where I told you it's going. And you're welcome. YM the exact same thing without even looking at it. It is told you. YM1 to the blue line. NAS has gone up. Look at all the money you would have made. Listen to the system. Thank God for the system. Thank God I and look at it. Wow. No one else is doing this shit. No. Well, welcome to the thing, by the way. 33, if you have any, good morning, Ace Bullet. If you have questions, you can ask people. You can go on YouTube, Facebook, and ask. You can go back and watch the videos. It's just a way to consistently trade and make money. What you are watching is a consistent way to trade. Do do do, da da dee, da da dee, da 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 do. Let me go ahead and add this up here. Matter of fact, just because he made me think of this. There you go, little buddy. Let's grab that. Let's grab some white. Let's go over here. Da 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 do, da da dee, da da do, da da dee, da do da dee, da da do, da da dee. And what you're watching is history in the making. Is what you're watching. Da 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 do, da da dee, da da do. Da da dee, da 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 do. That actually wins. That's funny. I should put that on there. Unfortunately, we don't have a room. Da 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 do. All right. US 30, so much money. My goodness. You're up 20, 25 pips. The average professional trader, if you call them professional, which I don't believe there is any, they make 10 pips in a day and they do it through fractional trading. They make multiple trades. They barely make like a few ticks at a time. They don't have any clue of what they're doing trading wise, none whatsoever. You can actually learn how to trade. You can do this yourselves. You can head over to here, safetrade.com. You can learn more about it right here. This is the system you want, the main system. Unless you only like to trade cryptos or unless you like to only trade gold, then you can use those. You can also sign up for my alerts. I give out free signals through those all the time, and they are extremely good. All right, we were on J&J, Johnson and Johnson. I was telling you where it's going and how great it is. Next one, what we're going to call is CVS. We're the only system on earth that tracks every trade, both through an app, through a AI, through code. It tracks every trade. You can see all these closed trades, demo trades are green. All the open trades are green. And then we are the only system on earth that tracks every trade manually. Every trade ever called out me is listed in my Discord. It's right here. Every trade ever called out, ever. And also, just so we're also clear, we're the only system in the world. Where is my do 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 do, giving you trades years ahead. Look at this bullshit about gold, how to trade Yep, there you go. Double dissociate. Oh, the financial. If anyone wants me to go over the mental side of trading, how not to let your mind fuck up your trading, let me know if you want me to go over that. Do 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 do. Oh, one of our traders opened up his own thing. It is so cute. It is so cute. Here, let me go ahead and clean this shit up. Hold on. I'm going to clean up my pictures. I'll be right there. There's the one I wanted to get to. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Thank you all for being here. Just cleaning up some pictures. Be with you all soon. Morning, good morning, good morning. Just cleaning up some pictures. Oh yeah, those were actually my trades. I forgot about that one. Yeah, my one little Weeble or something is like 16th hour we made. Countless of successful traders. Boy, there's some weird ass people in this world. Oh yeah, we got 1 million views the other day. That was awesome. Oh yeah, that's cool too. Da 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 da. Damn, I got a lot of pictures. Lot of pictures. Da 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 da. All right. Now let's go back in time, and now the whole point of what I was doing. Don't care. Don't care. There we go. All right. I think we're. We were saying that we have the only system in the world that actually has tracking of every trade ever called manually and automatically. We're also the only system in the world that has the United States of America patent and trademark for the safety trade system. It isn't applied for. This has been issued to me. It's a class 41, coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. This is from the United States government. This isn't from little some shit ass wherever other country. This is the United States of America, signed, sealed, and delivered. And you're looking at the only trading system in the world unique enough to have its own trademark. I also have over 13 or 14 patent pendings now on the indicators themselves. Yay. Thank God for all of that. Ta-da. All right, let's see what we got. Could you analyze FMST? I guess. Aussie, you got the system, get it now. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Your trades are going. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Guyber, can you analyze FMST? I sure can, Guyber. I'll try. God bless Kevin Bree and system. Caught such an easy 890s on a SS scalp on NAS this morning. I keep sells short, I promise. Nice. Good job. I'm glad you do that, Travis. You knew it was coming to you. Hey, Kevin, you have the Discord on display with the brown background. How do I get there? Because I don't see the public community on mine, says Ken Louder. You write a nicely worded email to Bree asking to join the Discord if you haven't. I don't know what else to tell you. That's all. And then one of our team members named Basil will get in touch with you and get you in the system, get you in the Discord. All right. Let's see. FMST wants me to analyze FMST. Let's take a look. In a book, Reading Rainbow, MFST. Foremost clean, FMST. Okay. Has my system be able to call out FMST? There was 2 closed trades profitable, 1 trade profitable that's open. Yes, it has. Long term, we're in a 1-month buy stop. Let's see what all this looks like. Shit right here. Let me see something, even if I should call this. Yep, not bad there. Okay, that's 3 months. Looks bad. Yeah, not a whole bunch on it. Hit the blue line. Daily already hit. Okay, well that was good. It hit its blue line. It's going to ricochet, come back up to its blue line. $4.60 demo trade only. But I can't do any higher than that. Let me go over here to the 7-hour, 9-hour, maybe. Nope, already passed. Yeah, it's a buy. I would look for smaller time frame buys. It'll go back up to $4.56 and $5.47. I don't know how low this is going though. Let me see down here. 3 minutes. It's a 5-minute sell, 7-minute to the 10-minute blue line to the 15-minute sell stop to $3.14. I wouldn't. This isn't a very good one. We have way better options for you. There's way better.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's see here. Pause for 1 second. Let's see. Is there indication it's going to do a ricochet, Lazarus? Which one, Lazarus? I'm sorry, I didn't catch what Lazarus was asking for. Rick O'Shea, baby. Rick O'Shea. Sorry, I didn't have better news for you, Guyberg. I'm just not a big fan of that one at all. I would do any of my other ones. Nike, Target, J&J, they're way better than this thing. Way better. What time is it? Oh, I don't know if there's any news today or not. If there is news, do not play it. By the system, do-da-dee. Doodly. You are watching a way to trade that actually wins. No news says Australia. Thank you, Australia. But I do believe you or someone told me CPI is tomorrow. That'd be fun. We'll make some money tomorrow. What's up? Hey, coach. Is that Jay? Alino, what's up? Alino. Good morning. Eleno, Alino. Good morning, TikTokers. Good morning, YouTubers. Slow morning for you peeps. What the hell's up? We're only at 50 people, 60 people between everything. That's weird. Thumbs up, please, on YouTube. If you go ahead and hit the like button on there, please. All right. Thinking about taking some water and dry fasting yesterday. Good morning, Techman. What's up, Tech? Matt Parker. Rick O'Shea. That's the way I spell it. All right, peeps. Anybody have any other call outs you want me to make? Any other call outs you want me to make? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Let's go over here. Let's look. Do, do, do. Do, 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 do. This is my no loss February of this year. I just happened to have one of my accounts open, and there's 23 trades I made. Not one losing trade, 23 times the total amount for the profit and loss. Do, 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 what the trade was. I don't know why they don't do buy stops here. Maybe I'm cutting that off, but 90%, 99% of these were buy stops. When you see the red, that's when my stop loss was hit in profit. See when that red is, that was only a $10,140 profit. Of course, this is a take profit on the way up. That's the green. Time out, price out, price in. Do, 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 do. Haters gonna hate, 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 hate. Go hate on that, motherfuckers. Oh yeah, the mental side. Why? This is a good one. Would you do everything you could to protect $7.2 trillion a day business? That's what Forex does alone. Of course you would. If it was your business, you would do everything you could. Would you let random chance decide if you're going to make $7.2 trillion a day? Trillion with a T, by the way, Forex says. It dwarfs the stock market. So many of you don't know nothing. And another thing, you don't understand that BlackRock and Vanguard are the two biggest players, but your banks take your money and they invest in Forex and make it generates $7.2 trillion a day. Whether it profits that or not, no one knows. I'm just telling you what it does. Of course not. You wouldn't leave it to chance. So ask yourself, is the market predetermined, rigged, or not? And do you blame them for rigging it? Are you seeing the truth yet? And my system figured out what they're going to do before they do it. That's why it works. It's so funny to me that some of you are, oh no, they know, and it's not predetermined. They don't know. It's all by no, it isn't. It is not by chance. It is all predetermined. And my system just figured it out. And I'm willing to share it with you. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Stacy. Do. The mental side of trading. How not to let your mind fuck up your trading. Realize the markets are predetermined. They're not by chance. Realize I, through God, have figured out a way they're going to do it before they do it. Burn these beliefs into your subconscious. I can't even spell subconscious right. Subconscious mind. And this is that. Do. I lost 99% of my trades. Yep, sure did. For about 2.5 years, a broke clock was right off and more often than I was. I lost 26,000 of real money, which about broke me at the time. Is there any? Oh, nope, I already answered that. I only kept going because I had a child with a health condition. Everyone but Bree gave up. I'm including my own mom and dad. God rest their souls. How did I stay motivated? Do you need to be in? How do you stay in the right state of mind? You need to stay in alpha brainwaves. Every one of us, 99% of everybody in the world, unless you live in maybe one of the St. Thomas or something, you guys are in beta brainwaves. That's bad. Beta is bad. Beta, bad. Alpha is good brainwaves. Alpha is where you're calm. Beta is where you're hyper, you're non-thinking, you're scared trading. That's what beta is. Alpha is good. You're calm and healing. The only parasympathetic thing we can control is breathing. That's why Wim Hof or box breathing works so good. Ice therapies, dunk your face in water, also changes your state. Grounding, sun therapy, all ways to get your mind to calm down so you can make better trades. You want to get into alpha brainwaves. You want to listen to binaural beat music that has 8 to 12 hertz. Another way to do it. You also can do this little saying. Now, I am the voice. I am in control. I'm not a victim. I can easily see when to enter every trade for the safest profit possible. Not lose trades. I lead, not follow. I'm happy, not sad. I am loving, not angry. But the truth is, or say, but the truth is, I am getting happier and healthier every day because the truth is, then whatever you need. The truth is, I do this. Double dissociation. I won't go into that unless you want me to. How to trade. You have to get rid of your old shitty beliefs. How do you do that? By getting into alpha brainwave. You do not need to be in beta. Beta is bad. Alpha is good. Yep. Isn't this great? Bam. Fun stuff, guys, what you learn here. You never know what I'm going to talk about. All right. Was that a good enough little flow for you guys for your mental side of trading? Yeah, I'm going to have to go get some hydrogen water. All right. I should have a be back in 5 minutes. All right. Let's leave you with do 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 do. Do, do, do. Buy stop. This is Stacy Ocho swimming to the bottom of the pool to get that gold coin. Is worth $3,000. I'd be doing it too. Comes over here. What does he see? 3 indicators pushing up, 3 more indicators pulling up. And of course, he goes up and the trade goes up. And this is what's called a buy stop. Do, 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 do. Isn't that cute? I love that one. I know we made it for children, but it works so good. Do, do, do. All right. I'll leave you with this thought and I'll be right back after I get my hydrogen water set up. You name a symbol. I'll tell you maybe if I can spell things right where it's going. All right, I'll be right back. I'm back. Back in the saddle again. Back in the saddle again. You heard beeping, that's my hydrogen water. All right. Did anyone name any symbols? We had a whole bunch of cryptos going one day. It was so much fun. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, KJ. What's up, KJ? No symbols? Wow. Okay. No one wants me to check anything? Wow. Okay. I never finished the rest of mine. Nope. Nope. Who posted in Discord? Don't do that. Do 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 do. Please, Super Z, do not post in a Discord when I'm live. Oh, Jesus. Okay, I might be tired in the morning, but at least I can read. Wow. All right. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Good morning to everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. All right, let's see. Zoom, zoom. No news this morning, so don't worry about any of that stuff. That's interesting. Where is my one about there's my will return in 5 minutes. That's funny. All right. Well, I don't know. Well, I guess we don't have it. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. Now, where were we? Hey, Coach. Good morning. All right. Let's go over to here then. Let's finish out a couple things. I do want to see these other ones real quick. Let's go to L. Estee Lauder. I know you guys laugh at that one. Systems called it out perfectly. Yep. Boop. Closed trades right here. All in profit from the signal service. All in profit. Current trades. Signal service. I don't understand. Every one of these symbols, 120 symbols, and they're all in profit off the signal service. And some of you still doubt. It's so weird to me. Weird. Good morning, little Joe. What's up, little Joe? Estee Lauder, sell, sell, sell. Longer term over there, buy. What's it playing off of the 3-month? I agree with that statement. Let's go over to 3-month and see what's up. 8:30. We got an hour to market open. 3 months, monthly, monthly, 3 months, 6 months, 6 months. 3-month buys, just gorgeous. 3-month, 6-month buy, stop Estee Lauder. I mean, I can't just take any 30-minute buy on that. You can't do better. AMD, another one. My signal service has called it out perfectly. Closed demo trades, all profitable. Open demo trades, all profitable. AMD is just gorgeous. They're running off of the 3-month and monthly. Let's go that 3 months again. Yeah, let's go to the monthly. Correct. Monthly 3-month buy, stop AMD. You're already at take profit 1. $128 for take profit 2. $140 for take profit 3. I love $150 for take profit 4. And then 180 and over 220 will go over its previous high again. That's AMD. The last time AMD did this trade, this type of trade, was back here, and you could have got in at $76 somewhere around February of 2023, and it went up for a year. So for the next year, you can take any 30-minute buy stop you can find on AMD. Easy peasy money, free money.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Guyberger weekly looks good. FISV. Sure, let's look at FISV. FISV. Pfizer. Spies. Is that I put that right? FISV. Weekly looks good. Yeah. Okay, I guess this one right here. Is it? Is it FISV like X? You want the NASDAQ? Good morning, Kenneth Terry. What's up, Kenneth? What's up, Ken? What's up, Ryan Marcus? I'll do this one. I don't know what the fuck that is. Oh, damn, my system does though. Evidently, all closed demo trades, all profitable, and then one open trade profitable. What's going on? He said, and it does. Looks like it's playing off the weekly. Let's go to the weekly form. Weekly, 3 weekly. Yep. Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. Love it. Monthly. Yep. 6 month. Yeah, this is a nice one. Let's see where we're at though. 6 month, 3 month, 3 month. 3-month buy, 3-month weekly. Weekly, 3 weekly. 3 weekly or month? Weekly, monthly, daily, sell. Sell to the blue line, whatever this is, FISV, 132.44. After that, look for a weekly buy, weekly, monthly. Yeah, I'll do that. Weekly, monthly buy, take profit 150, 155, 160, 165, 170, 175. I love the take profit of FISV. It's not a bad one at all. It has to get
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
It has to get done with the sell stop to the daily, though. That is a very much real trade right there. So just be prepared. Hope that helps you, Guyberger. Thank you for bringing that one to our attention. And good old cold hydrogen water. Man, good stuff right there. Very good. You're welcome, Guyberger. Thank you for bringing it to our attention. Good morning, Dwayne Reed. What's up, Dwayne? What's up, Kenneth? What's up, KJ, Stacy, Techman, Aussie Trader, Matt? What happened to all our women? Where's all our women? We were up to 10% women. We started at less than 1. You are watching a way to trade that wins. That's funny. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. All right. Any other symbols you want me to check? Oh. Ah. Good morning, Erica. Are you going over NAS after open? What? No, I've been going over NAS all morning long. We've been talking about NAS. We've been making all kinds of money. US 30. US 30 gave us free money this morning, even though it's not Friday. It's free money Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. Yeah. Do, 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 do. Easy peasy trading. Easy peasy trading. Buy stop. 1 minute. All indices. Look at this. Going to give you some more free money this morning. Free money. Ricola. US 30. 1 minute buy stop. YM1. 1 minute buy stop. Take profit. 42,814. Let's go over to NAS. Buy stop. Take profit 1. 21,838. Let's go over to NQ1. 1 minute buy stop, 21,861. Let's go over to SPX1, 1 minute buy stop. I mean, it's just free money. They keep doing this every day. Don't you guys get bored of making money? Remember how hard it used to be to trade? Now look how easy it is. This is what cracks me up. It's so easy. Oh, there we go. 1 second buy stop on NQ1. Let's see what it looks like. It's already there. They're going to change the see. Going to change the green. Watch, watch, watch. Going to change the green. Going to change the green. 1 second buy stop. NAS to the line. Add your alert. There you go. Look at pink crossing coming up. This will turn the green higher. This will go up. This will go to that blue line. Oh, look at there. It is. Take the money and run. We don't need to stay there. We had a touchdown right there. You're done. Let's go to YM and see what it's looking like. Nope, not the same. Let's see if US 30 is the same. Yes, US 30 is the same. Let's go over to NAS. Buy stop NAS 1 second. Buy stop NQ1. Buy stop SPX 1 second. Buy stop ES1 1 second. Let's go to the 5 second. Do, 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 do. Sell, sell, sell. I would just hold on those. Let's just wait. I'm going to go back over here. I like trading where I can see them all at once. There we go. Yep, just wait. 1 minute buy stops across the board, all indices, just fun money, easy money, demo trade only, blah, blah, blah.
Demo trade only.
How much time
I
do we
am
have?
not a financial advisor.
Oh, what's up, K-Dog? Welcome to the channel. Rigo, welcome to the channel. You're watching a way to trade that actually wins. I laugh when I say that shit. All right, where are we at? Still negative on one of the trades this morning, US 30. My NAS trade, this is a $250 account. It's up $662 alone from a trade the other day, about 4 days ago, whatever this was, 3 days ago, 4 days ago. And yeah, our US 30 is down, but this is why US 30 is going to go up. I once was down, but now I'm up, up, up. Let's see. We have why? Let's take a look. Because on our weekly, let's be clear, I trade all of these at once. Everything's going to their orange line. This is price action. This is an EMA. This is price action. This is an EMA. It's already there. This is price action on NQ1. This is the EMA. This is price action on NAS 100. This is the EMA. It's, there you go. This is your price on US 30. It's not there. US 30 will go up anywhere from 500 to 2,000 pips over the next couple of weeks. And that's why we're in the look. We are in money. We are in money. Morning. We are in money. Lots of money. Let's head over and see what we're seeing. Oh, look, they all filled in as I told you they would. NAS, told you. NQ1. Let's go to 1 second. Told you. Remember the little arrows I had right here and that these were going to fill in? This is NAS above it. You just made money. You just made no drawdown. Let's be clear on this. And you just made money from here to here. You just made 10 pips. You're better than a professional trader because you made 10 pips and you did it. 1 second buy, reforming again. That was free money for NQ1. And it also did the exact same thing on NAS. See how it went up? See how they're all there now? Buy, stop, 1 seconds are all forming right here. We have made trading so simple, anyone can do it. SPX, buy, stop, ES1. You're going to see pink cross blue. You're going to see the green, 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 red. This will turn to green again. Price action will go up. It'll go past the orange and it'll do it here. Now, not only is it going to do it on this one right here, if you look right here, you'll see to do the same thing. This will turn from red to green. You're going to see price action go up to the orange right here. You're going to see the blue right. See it? There it goes. And that's the green now. Watch this right here on NQ1. Same exact thing. See how it turned to green? See how it rose up? It went up and then, well, it's going to hook and do it again right there. It's going to hook and come back up again. Let's do it again for NAS. Another 1 second buy. Stop YM1 right here. It didn't form it all the way down. This is called the fill in space, the fill in the gap. You're going to see price action go up. Green's going to touch the yellow. This will go, see it goes up above the orange. Told you. So I'm telling you it's going up above the orange on this 1 second trade on US 30 and YM. It's also going up above the orange on the 12-hour trade. I'm sorry, on the weekly trade. So what I'm saying is this exact same trade that you see here on the weekly, this will turn to green. Price action will go above the orange on US 30, just like it did on US 31 second. See, this was red, it's turning to green and went above the orange. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? This is a weekly buy stop on US 30, right? Weekly buy stop. This is going to turn to green, just like it did on the 1 second. See over here where it turned red to green and went up above the orange. On the weekly, it's going to go turn to green. The price action is going to go above the orange. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Good morning, Mr. Steve. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Good morning, Erica again. Little Joe, yes. Larry Cooper, yes. Ace Bullet, yes. That's all you're doing. So do I care what happens on anything to do with US 30? You can throw in any buy stop at US 30 at any time, at any price, and you can make money. I mean, how much easier can I get it for you guys to understand that? You can take any trade at all, and US 30 is going to go up, and YM1 is going to go up past the orange line, or to the orange line. Simple as that. Just because you're seeing it on the 1 second, it's called fractals, right? Same thing. 1 second, if it forms on a 15, same thing. If it forms on a 7, same thing. If it forms on a 1 hour, same thing. If it forms on a 12-hour daily, same thing. Weekly, 3 weekly, yep, same thing. This pattern right here is the exact same thing on a 1 second as on a weekly, as it is on a 1 hour, as it is on a 4 hours, as it is on a 6 month, as it is on a 3 month. You just have to have patience when it's up there, but it's the same thing. Do da dee, do da dee, do da dee da dee da, do da dee da dee. Hey, question for you guys. Let me see something really quick. Larry Cooper, who's on TikTok and YouTube? Little Joe, maybe Larry Cooper. Can you mic. Interesting. Let's go over to here then. Do 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 do. I was saying post the number 2 and post the number 3. Well, thank the Lord. I don't know how the hell you guys are hearing me before. Negative. Thank you, Little Joe. Thank you, Aussie Trader. Thank you, Michelle Glowinski. Michelle. Michelle.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
All right, peeps. Yep, I think we're golden. We need a pullback. We need these to turn red. Hey, how did the thing do, by the way? Holy shit. Hold on. Do 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 do. US 30 30 second, US 30 15 second. So this is with the US 30 on then evidently. I mean off, so it's able to call it. Let's go back to here and let's go back to where was I? Yeah, there we go. Right here. All right, let's go here and let's go here and let's go to 30 second. Let's go to 15 second. Let's go to NAS. Let's go to here. Let's go to US 30. Let's go to here. Oh, hold your horses. Peepee weepies. Let's see what we got here. Crosshairs. Yes. Hold on. I do not know where this is at. What time is this? 12:43. 12. Oh, jeez. Right here. Okay. Oh, perfect call. Look at that motherfucker. Woo! Who loves the Uno reverse, baby? Buy the sniper. Don't try to scam. Look at that trade. Woo! This is a 15-second to the blue line, and look how many pips you'd have made. Uno reverse for the win. 37 pips off a 15-second buy stop. Incredible. You are witnessing history. Good morning, coach. Good morning, John Parker. I'm assuming that's J Park. John Parker. What's up, John? Wow. Oh, yeah, there he is. What's up, John? How's the knee, buddy? How's the knee healing? Look at this 37 pips on the Uno reverse. Yeah, you guys don't even need to know how to trade anymore. Just use my system. Just use a little Uno reverse. Right there, it's teaching you, telling you what to do. Oh, we might get another one before open. Wouldn't that be nice? I love the Uno reverse. I mean, right there, it just called out a 15-second and a 30-second. Wow. Do da dee, do da dee, do da dee da dee da, do da dee da dee da, do da dee. Crazy. Crazy in love with you. Wow. Doing all right getting there. I bet you're still in pain. Praying for you. Hope you get better soon. Look at that trade, baby. John, have you tried using it without and with the US 30? Because when you engage the US 30, like this one right here, these trades will go away. Did I not engage it? Yeah. See. So with and without the US 30, I would prefer you always have the US 30 with, but I know you guys are hyper and like to win, so look at it. Damn, another buy stop incoming. 5-second buy stop, Naz. Do da dee da. I'd rather these all drop. We need a big hard pullback before market open. We need everything to do this right here, and then at open we'll see that pull up. If it doesn't do that, I can't get you in the trades. Do da dee, do da dee. Do da dee da. Do da dee da. Do da dee. Yeah, I use it with. Oh, good. Yeah, it'll keep you out of some iffy trades. And sometimes US 30 doesn't do what it's supposed to do or doesn't go all the way up. It concerns me, but I would say 80% of the time it does. 90% of the time it does. 5-second buy stop, Naz. Again, I'd rather it dip hard. We need a big pullback for me to get you back in the trades. Does anybody have any questions? I've tried without, just prefer all three. Yeah, I do too. Now, when you're in a strong buy like we were this morning, you can flip it to just US 30, not needed. Yeah. Do da da do da do da do da do da do da. Any questions over any trades? Anyone get stung in any trade? Any new people here? Is there any new people here that would like to speak up? Speak up now if you're on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch, X, any of them. Go ahead and speak up. Go ahead and speak up, 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 the up, up. Go ahead and speak up, up. Any new ones here that would like to learn how to trade? Anybody any problems with any trades? Please speak up. Anybody have any good comments or bad comments? Have you done gold and silver? Yep, done gold and silver. We can do it again. Yeah, we already made money on gold and silver actually this morning. It was dinging all morning long. Let me go ahead and set up some more dings for open so you guys can hear them. Ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Let's go over to here. Let's go over to sell. Ah, fuck that. I ain't doing that shit. You guys do any sells you want. I ain't doing no sells. Buy stop. 1 second. ES1. It's in the game. Buy stop. 1 second. SPX. Buy stop. 1 second. NQ. Buy stop. These will all be flaring off here in a minute. And I don't give a shit what US 30 looks like. Let's go, baby. Now, if you actually want to trade the sells, sell stop to the 5 second blue line, all three indices. You can see I'm not calling those to the 10-second blue line, to the fifth, towards the 15-second blue. I'm not calling any of those. Do not play any sells. Do not play any sells.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I love these 1 minute, 3 minute buys. Here you go. Add some alert so we can hear the things later on. Follow it down. Follow it down. Permanent buys until otherwise noted on all indices. All indices that are alerts. In today's money talk, look at this. Let's just make more and more. US 30, plenty of time for your US 30. YM1, plenty of time for your 1 minute, 3 minute buy stop. Look at all, don't give me no shit. You have all kinds of time. Follow it down. I'm putting these in up here. We'll be hearing these ding a little bit later on, peeps. A little bit later on, peeps. Look at that shit. We were making some money, honey. Buy stop ES1, buy stop SPX, buy stop NQ1, buy stop NAS 100, buy stop US 30, buy stop YM1. I was late getting on.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Da da da. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Let's look at gold and silver next. Gold and silver next. We have our own gold and silver. Let's see what it looks like. Here's gold, here's silver. Oh, good, we got a little pullback. Silver is down 1 second, 1 second. Let's see what's going on, peeps. Let's see what's going on to the 5 second. Gold and silver, gold and silver. Sell stop gold to the 5 second blue line. I would never take a sell on gold ever, but that's where it's going. 10 second. Sell stop gold to the 10-second blue line. Look at it go from my mouth to God's ear to your wallets. Da 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 da. I would never take a gold sell ever in a million years. Gold, there you go. Touchdown to the blue line as called out. Bingo boppo, bango boppo, bingo bop. Bingo bop. Look at it. Look at it in wonderment. I was able to call a 5 second gold sell because silver was underneath its 5 second, 1 minute. Gold sell to the 5 second blue line to the 10 second. Yes, we actually have a gold only system now. Woo! If you like to trade gold and silver and platinum, we got the system for you. Look, there it goes down. But before you're, come on, peeps. Oh, give it up. Give it up. Come on. Give it up. What kind of from my mouth to God's ears to your demo wallets? Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at how far down that fell. Oh my God. Aussie trader, was that a good enough call for you? Sell stop gold to the 10-second blue line, but we don't play sells on gold. So we're going to go find us some buy. 1 minute buy stop, 30-second buy stop. This is so, I mean, it's at this point, trading has just become the easiest thing on earth. 1 minute buy stop, gold. 7-minute buy stop, silver. Silver and gold. Silver and there it is. See, silver. Buy stop, 7-minute, 5-minute. One. Silver and gold. Oh, what do you know? Silver and gold. One is silver, one is gold. SPX crossing. Oh, gee. All 3-minute buys. You still have time for US 30. Let's make money on NQ1 with no drawdown. You just made money on ES1 with no drawdown. You just made money with SPX 500, no drawdown. NAS 100, no drawdown. You still have time to make money on US 30 and YM1. Whoa, we are just rolling in the dough this morning, peeps. Who's having fun? Who's having fun? Sevens and yeses and thank gods. I don't see enough of that. I'm literally trading every symbol I can get a hold of accurately over and over and over and over and over again. We're doing gold, we're doing sells, we're doing buys, we're doing silver, we're doing gold, we're doing Bitcoin, we're doing over and over. Does it ever get tiring to you guys? Do you ever get bored of winning? This is so much fun. Buy stop, 7 minutes. Silver, buy stop, 1 minute, gold. Silver and gold, silver. Here we go. 5 seconds sell. 5 second told you it was going to go to the blue line. Ricochet, you're about to see. Pink come down. This gap will fill in. The red will get longer. Price action will go up, come back down and go below that blue line. You will see this turn to red. Silver and gold, silver and gold. Below it, here it goes right there, turning to red right now. There it is. Ding, ding, ding. We have a winner. Chicken dinner, we have a winner. Chicken dinner, we have a winner. Chicken dinner, we have a winner. You're welcome. And there's the fill in the gap as I told you was going to happen. I told you this was going to go down, hit the yellow. Told you the pink would come down. I told you to go below the blue. Anyone getting sick and tired of winning? Da, da, da. Two people are happy. Soraya Edwards and Blue Tide Acrylics Jacob. All right. I'm going to go ahead and end TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and end YouTube actually first. God bless you all. Everybody have a great life. See y'all later. So long.